Is Amsterdam is one of your dream destination? Don't worry, because Mega World is bringing Amsterdam here in the Philippines, presenting Arden Botanical Estate. Hi, good morning investors. Hello mga kabayan. I'm Ken Manansala, Senior Property Consultant from Mega World Corporation. In this video, we are here in Governor's Drive, Tracy Martires, Cavite, and we're currently in the prime residential village here called the Arden Botanical Village. In this area, we're currently here in the main entrance for the Arden Botanical Village. So behind me is the guardhouse. So it will serve as 24/7 security for the unit owners of the residential lots that we have here in this village. So based on our experience, hindi basta-basta makapasok yung mga tao dito unless they have like a letter from the unit owner na pwede sila pumasok. So the theme of this whole township or village will be Scandinavian themed. So we will see more about the Scandinavian themed village as we enter this village. So let's go to see more about it. Right now, guys, we are here on the secondary road for the Arden Botanical Village. So this one is a 12-meter wide. So for the main road naman, it will be 18-meter wide. So mas malaki siya. So as you can see behind me, those posts or mga poste dito, actually wala kayong nakikitang wires. Unlike in the metro, medyo madaming wirings doon na nakakasira ng view. Because the best thing about this village is that lahat ng wirings natin ay lahat na nasa baba or underground. So that's the best feature of this village. Aside from that, dito sa side na to, this will be a water feature. It is called the man-made lake. So this is what makes this village also unique kasi there will be a flowing water in this area that will serve as a park for the people who will be like visiting in this area. So hindi lang siya basically all about going to your home but also a space for you to unwind in this area. So aside from that, I'll be going to show with you one of the residential lot that is available for Arden Botanical Village. Today, guys, I'm very much excited to share with you our remaining residential lot here in Arden Botanical Village. So this one is in block 7.6. So this is 432 square meter. And the best thing about this residential lot is that malapit tayo with the clubhouse. And as you can see, guys, parang kayo na may-ari ng pinakang pool. And this lot is actually a corner lot kasi it will separate yung pinakang man-made lake natin that will make this lot a very nice in terms of investment. So if you wanted to do resales, there's a lot of unique ways on how will you sell this property. So if you want to know more about this residential lots for the computation, just send me a message because my details will be like on the screen naman nakalagay. And now, guys, in this video, I'm going to tour you about the amenities for the clubhouse of the Arden Botanical Village. So tara! Right now, we are here in the main lobby for the Arden Botanical Village. So right now, this is the front desk. So if you have any questions regarding the properties here, you can actually ask for the people who will be assigned in this area. So here, as you can see, guys, napakaganda ng architecture. So as mentioned earlier, all of the clubhouse and even the houses will be designed in architectural, Scandinavian architecture. So here, guys, as you can see dito, mas maganda yung design niya. So we can see a lot more about this clubhouses. I will be showing you all the amenities that you can use as a unit owner here in Arden Botanical Village. Let's go to the second floor to see the amenities for this clubhouse. As you can see, guys, all the windows are very big kasi they wanted to get a natural light coming from the outside to make it bigger and natural. So here, as you can see, meron tayong mga amenities on the second floor. So this one is for, actually, if you have a meeting, so you can actually use this for collaborative works. So ayan yung kanyang area. For here naman, another area for similar sa area na pinakita ko kanina. So meeting 2 area. So, area na to. Going here, makikita natin dito yung pinakang fitness gym. So, if you're into fitness, pwede dito sa area to. But before that, kung gusto mo muna maligo or to freshen up, you can use this bathroom for male. So, for female naman, dito tayo sa other side. So, now, let's go to the gyms. The good thing about this village is that all the equipments that you can see in this video are all free. You don't have to pay anything monthly with regards to membership fee. Kasi all the amenities here in Arden Botanical Village will be free for the unit owners. So here naman, in this area, this will be for kung gusto mahilig kayo for yogas and other, pilates. So you can actually use this space kasi may mga, like, a mirror dito that you can also use especially for dancing. So the good thing about that one also is that your view will be the pool of these amenities. And now we're done with the second floor for the amenities here in the clubhouse. Right now, we're going to show more about the amenities here on the ground floor. So the first one of the amenities will be the function room number 1. So in this area, possible natin to rent this out. So if you wanted to have any events, activities, or occasions such as birthdays, weddings, or even a corporate event. And now let's go to the other amenities. Tara. And now we're done seeing the function 1 to 4. Now let's go to the daycare center. So for this area, this is free of use as well for your kids. So if you wanted to play around in this area, all the things here or the toys can be used by your kids. So someone will also take care of your kids dito sa area to if you're going to do something else. So now let's go to the swimming pool, which is my favorite amenity for this clubhouse. For this last amenity, this is one of my favorites. So this is the swimming pool. But before we can go on that, here in this area will be the al fresco. So for your friends and family who wanted to hang out dito na ayaw mo na maligo, so they can actually sit here and unwind and talk to each other. So aside from this area naman, guys, we also have here for kids. So while chatting sa al fresco, your kids can also play in this playgrounds. May mga slides dito that will be allotted for them. And now the best part about this clubhouse is this man-made swimming pool. So as you can see, guys, sobrang lawak ng pool na to. It can actually occupy a lot more people, unlike other swimming pools in Metro Manila. So here, guys, nakikita nyo dyan, half siya kasi that's what the best thing about this is the design of this swimming pool. Hindi na siya basta-basta. And that's the end of our vlog here in Agden Botanical Village. So if you want to know more about this exciting project, please don't hesitate to send me a message. All my details are being flashed on your screen. Once again, I'm Ken Manansala, Senior Property Consultant from Mega World Corporation. I'll be helping you finding your perfect investment and your dream home.